Well folks, here's my old 2004 Explorer with 210,000 miles on it. And on the outside it definitely looks pretty old. The paint's fading on the hood and the clear coat's coming off here and there. You can see the clear coat's coming off. But I keep good tires on it always. And despite the paint being tore up, I do take care of the vehicle and especially the inside. I'll show you that real quick. I don't think it's too bad for a 20-year-old 210,000 mile vehicle. I still have the third row seat. I've got it stored in the shed though. Here's the rear seat here. So here's the driver's side. Here's the rear passenger side. Here's the passenger front. Yes, that's the wife's dash cover there. Okay, and here's the driver's side front. And I've seen vehicles that are 2 years old that are a hell of a lot worse than this. I try to keep it as clean as I can, good shape as I can. That's why I have floor mats. It doesn't look like that underneath it. Well, that was just a little tour of the inside of the 20-year-old 210,000 mile Expedition. Still runs like a champ and still takes us wherever it is we need to go. I've never even had the front end aligned on this vehicle, and it drives straight as an arrow. And as you can tell, the tires don't wear. Just loses some clear coat on that wheel there. That kind of stinks, but it is what it is. I've replaced the shocks all the way around, and I've done the rear air suspension 3 times on it. But rotors, brakes, stuff like that. I am going to have to do the upper ball joints. Those are starting to make some noise. Can you believe it? At 210,000 miles, the lowers are still solid. It's just the uppers. So I definitely am going to have to do those here pretty soon. But even though it looks kind of crappy on the outside, or real crappy, the inside's real clean, and boy, she runs great. I guess I'll go ahead and start it. I'll let you hear that. Alright, here's how she starts every time.
Detecting the vehicle has started. Start to record video.
There you go, 210,000. Factory AC that came with it 20 years ago still blows cold. Factory compressor on there, everything. Can hear how she purrs. Yep, best vehicle I've ever owned right here. We've gotten our money's worth several times over on this thing. Good old reliable 5.4 liter 2 valve. She's one heck of a good running engine right there. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and the reason I don't replace it is, first of all, if I go to sell it, I'm not going to get anything for it. And second of all, it runs and drives amazingly well. It honestly runs, drives, and gets the same fuel mileage it did, 15 years ago. I can still pull 17.5 to 18 miles per gallon on the highway out of it. The best I've ever gotten was 19 miles per gallon. And that's not going by any trip computer or anything like that. That's by actually doing the math. The miles driven versus the gallons used, the gallons replaced. And she still gets the mileage she's supposed to get. So I hold on to her. All right, guys, take care.